Just your time, your hustle, and an internet connection. Today I'm going to show you the $0 method to start earning affiliate income, even if your wallet's emptier than a soda can at a summer barbecue. The problem? Why free feels so hard. Most guides out there require you to pay upfront just to get started. They'll tell you you gotta buy the host, you gotta run these ads, your time and determination. Yes, you can build affiliate income for free, budget, travel. There's a niche for that. And free for number one rule. If it asks for money, walk away. Legitimate programs are free to join, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale. Getting paid sure does feel nice, right? Number four, YouTube. Simple reviews or tutorials. Add your link in the description. TikTok shorts, helpful videos plus link in bio. Medium, groups, Reddit, Quora. Join conversations. Be helpful.